Imagine this. You get the call. We'd like to show your home in 30 minutes. Your heart drops. The dishes aren't done. The dog toys are everywhere. And the house is far from ready. Sound familiar? Here's the reality. Showings are critical to selling your home, but buyers don't always give much notice. If your home isn't showing ready, you risk losing the first impression that could have been the one that sold your house. That's why I created the last minute showing checklist. This simple step-by-step guide walks you through exactly what to do in the whole house. Bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, entryway, even outside, to make sure your home looks clean, bright, and move-in ready on short notice. No more panic, no more stress, just a system that works every time. And the best part, you don't need to memorize it. Download the free copy today and keep it handy. When the last minute call comes in, just grab the checklist, run through the steps, and head out the door with confidence. Click the link in the description and grab your free last minute showing checklist now and make every showing count.